Book Creator is a great tool for creating and publishing your own ebooks. To get started, you'll click Sign In and Sign In with Clever. It's going to ask you to log in with your district account. And then it will ask you for a code from your teacher. Once you've put your class code in, you'll come up to this creation screen. And to create a new book, you'll get started by clicking New Book. You have a couple of options for a book shape, including comics or traditional books. I tend to use landscape, but it's totally up to you what you decide to use for your book. And this will bring you to a basic template that has a cover and 2 interior pages. If you know that you have a lot of content and you want to add more pages right from the beginning, you'll click Pages, and then you can just insert additional pages. You may come back to this workspace later to delete pages or to move some pages around. But for right now, I'm going to start just with the basic template and add my information. You can work in any order, but I'm going to start with the cover. To add content, you're just going to click the Add an Item button. And from here, you'll be able to add all kinds of information. You can search for pictures online. You can embed maps or links. You can add files from your computer. So I'm going to add a picture file. Resize that. Okay. You can take a picture or a video from your computer. I'll just start by taking a picture. And if I decide to use this picture, just click Use Picture, and then it's available for me to add to my cover. I could also embed a video from here. I can use the pen feature to draw here. I can add emojis. I'll insert an emoji. And I can also add text to my cover, which I either type in or record. To format my text, I'll use the inspector link here. And I can also change the background. I can add some different shapes. Okay, and there I have my cover. One additional thing I can do is I can record. So if I want to read some information out loud, I can do that here. Just hit start recording. You're about to read a book about me. I hope you enjoy it. I can play it back. You're about to read a book about me. I hope you enjoy it. And if I decide I want to use this, I just click Use Recording. And then when the book is read aloud later, not only will my readers hear the words I've typed, but they'll also hear my voice. And then you'll repeat the process for the interior pages. Okay, add more pictures. Add whatever text you want, whatever shapes, whatever it is you need to do to tell your story. If you have a lot of text to add, I would suggest typing it out in Word or some other program, doing your spell check ahead of time, and then just copying and pasting rather than typing everything here. And then again, once the text is in, you can go back and format it. Once I think my book is ready, I'm just going to click this little play button up here so that I can read my book. Okay, make sure everything is where I want it. I can actually have the program read my book to me out loud, just like your readers will be able to hear it. And you might not hear it being read through this recording right now. It doesn't always happen. The playback doesn't always work properly while I'm recording, but your book will be read aloud. Okay, and if it looks good, then I'm ready to publish it. Now I can publish directly from here, from my settings menu, but if it's for a class project, then I'm going to want to publish it in a class. So I'm just going to go back to my books. I'm going to change the title. And from my book options, I'm going to find the class where I need to publish this book. So I'm going to move it to a library. For example, if I'm publishing this book for Ms. DeStefano, I'm just going to move it to her library. All right, now it's gone from my books. I can always go back to it within my class. I can still edit the book, make any changes that I want, and I can create new books here as well. But the book that I just created has now been submitted to my class. If you have any questions as you go through your book creation, please don't hesitate to reach out, and good luck with this project.